Hello, my name is Sean. I'm an implementation specialist at Evolve MEP, and today I'll be going over some of our quick tools and demonstrating how they work. So the first one we're going to cover is connect elements. This is going to be used for when you need to connect elements that are either disconnected by yourself or Revit disconnected them. So the first thing you'll do is select the tool, and then you're going to choose the element you want to move. In this case, I'm going to choose this straight and move it to this fitting. You'll see that it connected using the connections that you specify in your database. Our other option is for reconnect elements. This will search for elements that are disconnected and try to reconnect them. So I will select that. I'll select all of these different fittings, hit finish. You'll see that it it found two connections that were disconnected and reconnected them. So now this pipe is fully connected. Our next one is going to be our spacing and alignment. So for our spacing and alignment, this will allow us to align elements both horizontally as well as vertically. Our first option here is to apply our elevation alignment. If we're going to apply it to a run, it'll be based off the first pipe you select. Edge will allow you to select an edge in the model. Offset will be an offset that you select from the level you're working on. And then reference plane will be a reference plane that you select in the model. We also have the ability to align to the top or the bottom based on which side you want your trapeze to be running. Apply run spacing. This will allow us to space the elements to a distance of our choice. So first thing we need to do is our gap. We're going to put this at 6 inches today. And then our rounding is going to be 0, which will not round it to anything. We'll leave it as it is. We do have the option for 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 1 inch. Equal spacing will allow you to line things center to center, but for most time you're going to be using edge to edge. Align multiple rows. That'll allow you to align multiple rows if you have two pipes running on top of each other. Continuous alignment will keep the tool running until you tell it to stop. And then include insulation, as you see, will align to the insulation if you have it on your pipe. So we're going to align these runs to this larger run here. So we're going to pick that first, and you'll see that now we pick the other ones. You can reselect the one that you've already picked without any issue. At finish, you'll see that it aligned them all. The one without insulation aligned to the bottom of the pipe, and then the ones with insulation aligned to the bottom of insulation. And you keep running it here until you get to the end of the pipe or end of the run. All right, so that is our alignment. So now all these pipes are aligned, even though there are different elevations, they are aligned and spaced. The last tool I want to cover is our element swap. So in this case, I modeled the return and the hot water line wrong. So what we do is we select the tool, and it's as simple as just picking two, and it swaps their location exactly. So that is a couple of the quick tools. I hope you find this useful. Have a good day.